If you remember, we did the segment addition postulate, and if we had a segment, we learned that segment AB plus segment BC equals the whole thing, AC. Well, the angle addition postulate's the same thing, except it's a little harder to see and understand because it's a lot of information. The problem on number 1 says the measurement of NML is 123, and the measurement of NME is 64. And in each problem, they're going to tell you what they want you to find. They want you to find the measurement of angle EML. So you've got to see how to set up the equation. And what I do is I put the information in the picture because it's easier for me to keep track. NML is the whole thing. It's this guy right here. So that is 123. Does everybody see why that's 123? Information is NME. We did that in red. We're going to do NME is this little guy is 64. And they want us to find, which is this guy right here. And they want us to find EML, which is this guy right here. So we're going to put an X. So the two pieces, 64 plus the X equals the big guy. If you set up each one the same, I mean, some of these are very easy, but once we put letters in it, it gets harder. So then X equals 123 minus 64, which is what, 59? So X equals 59 would be your answer. KJA, the measurement is X plus 31. The measurement of KJI is 81 degrees. And the measurement of angle AJI is X plus 52. And they want you to find X, okay? So let's start with the red one. KJA, can everybody see it's this guy right here? So that's X plus 31. KJI is the whole thing. That guy's going to be green. And that is 81 degrees. And the yellow guy, so the yellow one is AJI. And if you want, just run your pencil there, and you know the yellow one goes right here. Does everybody understand where to put things?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so who are the two pieces? Give me colors. Red and yellow. So yellow plus red equals the big guy. And that would be 2X plus 83 equals 81. So 2X equals negative 2. Am I right? And X equals negative 1. So they want X, you found X. So when you plug back the negative 1, it makes sense because you have the 30 plus 51 equals 81. All right, so they gave me the three measurements. So we're going to put them in. The blue guy goes BCE would be right here. 33X minus 1. The red guy is ECD, would be this guy here. And that's 1 plus 147X. And the green guy is the whole thing, which we know that a straight line measures 180, right? So that equals to 180. So we have 1 plus 147X plus 33X minus 1 equals 180. And that is 180X equals 180. Because the ones bite the dust, and 147 plus 33 is 180. So X equals 1. but they want us to plug it back into that blue guy. So it's going to be 33 minus 1 equals 32. The measurement of angle BCE equals 32 degrees. Plug in the x, this would be 148. This would be 32. And 32 plus 148 equals 180.